Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness on this tablet. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you can click on those three dots on brightness slider and click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. In order to save your changes, click on Done at the bottom right corner. You can also go into Settings instead, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Following that, tap on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!